In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Lingua Insights. I hope you all are fine and doing good and enjoying my videos. If you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Today I have a very interesting topic regarding linguistics, the very important branch of linguistics that is syntax. In my every video, I always say that don't skip this video, watch this video till and for better understanding. So I will discuss syntax, which means structure, consistency, and theories. So let's talk about it. What is syntax? Syntax defined as the set of rules that govern sentence structure in a language is important for ensuring clarity, consistency, and meaning in communication. For example, the cat sleeps on the mat is correct versus sleeps the cat mat on it is incorrect. You know very well that what is the correct and incorrect on the grammatical and sentence structure. The study of syntax structure in simple way, it means syntax. Here I am going to discuss some basics of sentence structure, components of a sentence, types of sentences, example. Components of a sentences include subject, predicate, verb, object, and modifiers. Types of sentence, simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. For example, she reads books because she loves stories is a very complex sentence. In my previous videos, I have already told you about the different types of sentences. So here I am repeating my things in simple sentence and compound sentences. One independent class in simple sentence like she reads book, subject is she, verb is reads. Compound sentence, two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. For example, she loves reading, her brother enjoys play music. So let's discuss what is the difference between complex and compound complex. One independent, one or more dependent clauses. For example, she studies because she wants to succeed. Compound complex sentence, at least two independent, one dependent clause. For example, she studies because she wants to succeed and she practices daily. Sentence consistency, parallel structure, like maintain consistency in sentence patterns. For example, incorrect, she likes reading to write and watches movies. For example, the correct form of this sentence is she likes reading, writing, and watching movies. Right? In previous sentence, like she likes reading to write and watches movies, it means there is no consistency at all. So let's talk about grammatical relations, key grammatical roles in sentences, subject, object, indirect object, and modifiers. Subject means John's read a book. Object means John's read a book. Indirect object, John gave Mary a book. Modifiers, the old book is valuable. Here I'm going to discuss some common errors in sentences, and these are three: fragment, run on sentence, and comma supplies. Fragment is missing subject or verb. Went to the store, she went to the store. It is mean the sentence is pragmatic. If we say that went to the store, who went to the store? There is no clarity in the sentence. But when we say she went to the store, now there is no fragment and sentence is very clear. Run on sentence mean two sentences incorrectly combined. Reads books, she writes stories. There is something missing, I think so. She reads books and she writes stories. So this is, the correct form of sentence. Comma supplies incorrect comma uses she reads books, comma, she writes stories, dot. She reads books and she writes stories. Now it's the better place for putting comma. So these errors are, major errors in sentences that we may commit and we should avoid this. Here I am going to discuss major syntactic theories by different linguists. First of all, Chomsky, generative grammar. And I think so, you all know very well who is Noam Chomsky, the father of modern linguistics. He gave the concept of generative grammar, in which he discusses humans have an innate ability for language, deep versus surface structure. Dependency grammar, sentence elements depends on one another. These are some basic concepts that Noam Chomsky discusses in his theory like generative grammar. So let's wrap up the whole discussion. Syntax structure, language for clarity and meaning. Sentence type and consistency improve communication. Understanding grammatical relations enhances sentence construction. Syntactic theories explain how language function and evolve. That was a very comprehensive and concise video on the topic syntax. I hope you will like this video and this will be very helpful for you guys for better understanding and conceptual study. Stay connected with Lingua Insights for more engaging and interactive videos. Inshallah, we will meet with another interesting topic. Stay blessed, be optimistic. Allah Hafiz.